show you how to complete step 1 of the room selection process, paying your $300 housing deposit. First, you're going to access your portal at my.hofstra.edu. Then you're going to click Menu and Student Services. Then you're going to click on Student Payment Center. Click on My Payment Center. Click on the Deposits button. Then you're going to select the term in which you're applying for and hit Select. Then you're going to select the deposit type, which in this case would be your full housing deposit. Once you click on that, then click on Select. Then you want to read the information below where it says full housing deposit to ensure that you understand what the deposit is for and how much you're paying. Once you do that, hit Continue. Finally, on this screen, you're going to select the method of payment you wish to use to pay the $300 housing deposit. Click on the drop-down menu, and the options include credit or debit card or an electronic check. Once you pick your method of payment, you'll hit the Continue button. You have now completed step 1 in the room selection process, paying your $300 housing deposit.